dancer I get a $500,000 show. $1 million show. Yeah. Him will have your song then. Otherwise, I'm in
Camera. Action. Straight to your TV, you don't know. Straight to your TV. Straight to your TV. Yeah, man, I'm going to pre. Straight to set. That's the thing there, yeah. Straight to your TV, not to listen to the fullest.
Yeah, one pause now. Street Youth TV. You know what time it is, it's your boy, Mr. Lex. Flexible Complex representing the Street Youth TV.
Easy. Yo. Big up. Street Youth TV. I mentioned me when I get out. Yo, you don't know it's matter around. Street Youth TV. I mean, mama, you don't know why them to the Street Youth TV. Make sure you keep on watching. You want to move the eyelid them.
We got the Street Youth TV every time, see? Them boss you, them no beat you.
Street Youth TV. You don't understand the real TV. Yeah, keep it on Street Youth TV.
Street Youth TV, you know it is now, alright?
Street Youth TV, you know, the Union TV, Jordan represents.
Reggae Sumfest, and are the negative things we are talking about after Reggae Sumfest. And all the positive things we want at Reggae Sumfest, you know. I mean, I'm going to stay along, and we just want to highlight them for the few people who are there, and the few people who are going to see this. Reggae Sumfest this year, better than 5 Reggae Sumfests ago. Yeah? And the first in a long time I see people at Reggae Sumfest jump up, you know. Yeah man, honestly. No capping. At the first in a long time I see people at Reggae Sumfest jump up. A reel up, a jump up. Yeah man. You see, when a man make whole heap of hit song and people love an artist, yeah man, you can't do no wrong. And trust me, Kartel bring back an energy regime in a Sumfest. Enough people now talk about that because we are dwell upon the little thing we go on with Jashi and Masicka and Kartel. Enough people talk about that, I don't even talk about that. Only thing I can say about that, Jashi you just salt, brother. And from before the people even start talking about you. From your Anthony Miller interview, me I try to preach to you. Me I do too much video about you. And you know, I'm glad so you step on the stage. Out of all the things that you said on the stage, you said one thing on the stage and I appreciate it. Because I've been saying it for a long time and people have a bad mind. So you did a scream too much. And I see you make a conscious effort now to stop screaming. Yeah, and I think that's one of the reasons why you're not boss as a big artist. Because I think I don't know what did happen, I don't know who did that counsel, I don't know who did that give advice, but the screaming, bro, the screaming, it was just unbearable for the ears. I'm glad you actually say it out so your fans them say to stop screaming. Because me, yeah, I didn't want your fans them bread away. The first time I spent a whole night and go through the whole of your clippings them and I listen to your DJ. And me I said, I look at you there. When that time I think say you go boss big, you know, brother. Me I say, yo, that you can reach your limit start, yo, wrong pick. Wrong pick. But me hope say you're not too late, bro, but you saw it. Yes, sir. That's that I want to say about Jashi. I'm glad to see you yeah, try not to scream when you're a DJ. I'm happy to say you said that. So I can take that as a positive from where you look on the stage. But in terms of the vibe in a Sumfest, Kartel pan tracks, a long time I don't see people jump up in a Sumfest. The last 4 or 5 Sumfests, I don't like people. The people never move. When you watch about the thing, they say people turn up and some of them have them phone and the artists them try to work hard and the people them, like the people in the vibe not dead and them thing there. Kartel bring back the vibe in a Sumfest, I don't like people. I don't make your hide Lord Reggie. Yeah man, he bring back that. And the tracks him I use, I say, yo, can you imagine if Kartel did use bands? It would be back one of them things that we used to sweet beat them and them and Cape Town them, you know. Remember when Cape Town burned on me all at Sumfest? You remember that? Yeah man, keep it on light the whole like cane piece everywhere them at Sumfest already man. Some cardboard and some sitting. If Kartel did work with all bands, yeah? When the band's ready to mix up, you have to give Kartel that energy they will bring back in the space. Yeah man. Can't take with that, you can't take with that. And that's the things that we need to propagate some more. The vibe within the Sumfest, the vibe there. There was a vibe there. So I say people that deal with them and govern them, the people that say them perform well. And it was like a vibe there. Highway and them say highway and go on good. Yeah man, there was a vibe in there. There was a long time. Yo, trust me man, when Jamaica crowd ready for the dead pan here in the virgin. Like if people are interested in the music. Yeah man. When Jamaica people that say me a man, a long time I went perform. Last year I performed a dream. Last year I performed a dream weekend. Yeah. And just you know, so we are going to do the thing to make the people and jump up and reel up. Just away, at one point I try to stay away from performing around and stuff because trust me, they can't take a daily vibration. And I was happy to see people that jump up and reel up and go on bad. Understand? I was happy to see Masicka performing in a band and sounding, you know, confident in her performance. And I declare some of the baddest thing. That is one thing I want brother Masicka to understand because Masicka to understand something, you know. A craft from dancehall, you know. Craft from dancehall, brother. You see all of the greats, them we have column in a dancehall, them never just have column through them put out bad song alone, Masicka. You have to know that, bro. Ninja Man, them Shabba, them Beanie, all of the artists, them we see have column in a dancehall. Them never become world-known dancehall names by just putting out songs after songs after songs after songs. You see what I'm saying? So you see certain opportunity when they present themselves, yeah? Because you build legacy, you know. See, you build legacy. But you grab opportunities to help build legacy. Yeah? You need opportunities to build legacy. So you have to grab the opportunities when they come. You understand me I say? Yeah man. No man, no man no sell them soul, brother. Which part soul I sell? Just came and say they sell soul. Which part soul I sell? Nobody not sell soul. Nobody not sell no soul, man. Or just about sell soul. The man them work with the money, man. I'm to the man that sell soul. Which part soul I sell? We want to sell my one for 2 billion. Which part I sell? But I can't go sell my soul for 2 billion. Yeah? So, artists in general, Masicka. Yeah. Then don't go build column with its songs and we know say you have a song then. At one time I did on a reason and I tell the man him say if I were to break an artist, one artist in Jamaica me send for put on a feature Masicka. When me that pay him when say one to put on a feature. Yeah? If I were to get an artist on a feature and then give me all the name, then Masicka me that choose a feature. Yeah? And I believe say if him get a wicked punchline from one of the greats, then he can go to the next international level. But even without that, him still have a bag of wicked tunes. He have crazy amount of wicked tunes. But him have to understand how the dance, I don't think he fully understand how the space and the dance are run. It not run by just big song. It not run by just big song, my G. It run by yo, if a man style, you have to style back a man wicked. If I yo, you have to yo it, my G. Sometimes nothing that happen, you know, I have to make people and think that something happen. Yeah. Yes, Masicka, if Joshi did have your song then, Joshi had the biggest column in a dancehall right now. If Joshi did have your song then, bro, he would have be the biggest column in a dancehall I get a $500,000 show. $1 million show. Yeah. He would have your song then. Otherwise, someone in Silver try to find him run, but him talk strong, he talk like him, you know, he talk like him want thing that like him want a piece of the thing. But when you have so much big tune and so much bad tune to dominate the place, bro, yeah man, you have to step up to it, you have to step up man and say, my time, you know, and you have to take it, my G. In other words, me have to say, them not gonna give it to you, Masicka. You have to take it, me G. Musically speaking. You have to take the place, me G. Because here we go on. Everybody knows I have the body thing, you know. Everybody knows I have the body song, you know. Everybody knows I have the most hot song, you know. But them people here, if you not claim it, bro, bro, they hide glory around here, Masicka. Masicka, they hide glory around here. Anyone must say self-praise is no recommendation. I lie, bro. You have to claim it. You have to claim it in Jesus' name, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah. You have to, even if nothing go on, bro, you have to say, yo, and you're not take no talk. You don't answer to nobody. You just make people think what they want to think, bro. Yeah, man, you have to claim it, G. Because you have a song, brother. You don't have to be a clash artist. Ireland Vybz. You don't have to be a clash artist. Would you clash with Cabra one time? Would you never clash artist? But would you run out wickedly, bilious, and talk about bag of things? Would you never go for no clash artist? But would you did make a no say, Cabra, if you're running, you know, we have to go at it. You have to understand that, bro. Yeah? You know, so one time, alright. What makes a fast? Jaja. Miss, grab a charger for me. Miss, grab a charger for me. One time, Zin. Man can pass. iPhone, man. One thing. A youth name. Assassin. No big like Kartel. And this is just musical talk, because sometimes a man want big like Kartel. So I just talk musically speaking, and I have to put you on my body. But why do you think Assassin not big like Kartel then? Eh? When Kartel say war with Assassin, I same thing. A Spragga running. Spragga running and say, alright, food a share, give me a plate. Yeah? Dancer can't change. A Christianized dancer. Dancer can't change people. Dancer can't change. It can't change. And people are nice it up and I say, Ray. Yeah, man. When Assassin I say, he no want no clash, he no want no war. Kartel, Spragga say, what? Spragga say, I wouldn't ramp with. Give me food. And go at Kartel and change the war from Assassin and Kartel to Kartel and Spragga Benz. And me fi tell you, dancer, bro, me know say, bro, me know you eat food and everything, me know say you boss, me know say you have a big son, man, bro, but me I tell you as a youth, you watch something, and them nah go give it to you, bro. You have to claim it. You have to claim, if I have a Kartel, I could have a Kartel, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Remember say no? Kartel cut from Alliance camp, you know, and talk about bag of things, you know, and just make the chips fall where them fall. The man just say, yo, more my own independence, now one just comes up, bam, and cut and just start go rogue. The man just take himself totally, because the man knows saying couldn't the Alliance and bleach. The first thing, Kartel don't calculate them things they already and know say, yo, we can't the Alliance and bleach. And I want to go to be a coloring book, you know. The man comes up, boom, and don't calculate out his life and know say, any him stay in an alliance, him can't pass the leader. The man knows say right now, he want to feel things go global, the man want to feel things go way up. The man say, yo, a coloring book me I go, you know. And cut from alliance and cause mischief. And run go do something with all people and people get them feelings and hurt. Yeah? But guess what? It work. You see? You see? It work. The man say, yo, Me a graduate. Me a move out of the house here now. Me a go for my own. Masicka, you have to claim opportunities when they come. Even if I like a mix up Guana Riri and you don't know where Guana Riri, you have to hold it. Hold it and just drop be a bad song and just drop song and make people think say people are chatting and nothing people are chat. You just a drop song and a drop song. Kartel all time feelings, you just a go and drop song and a drop song and make it fans them decide. Fans hear you drop song, they must say, yeah man, that's when you Masicka, how you mean you're a Masicka there, Kartel, you attack, you know. That's why I'm not in Kartel you're attacking, but you hold it. Because I must say suspense, you know. I want to sit with people, I say, yo, I'm talking points. Look, brother, musical, enough artists come where you can find be a big song, brother. But here we go on now. Them now become column. Yeah. If you want to be a column in dancehall, tell me foolish advice you. If you want to be a column in dancehall, you can't make people think say, yo, you're not the baddest thing. Technically. Yeah. If better you don't say nothing, just a drop beer song and make people think what they might think. And when you go up on stage, you just talk, you chat, see me. Yo, me are the wickedest thing. I'm just some boy. Yo, sometimes nobody not trouble ninja man them, you know. Sometimes nobody not trouble ninja man them. You have an artist in a dancehall. Nobody not trouble him. Every time go on stage in Cosmody. Every time he go on stage in Masmadi, if he want, the man worried about himself. If a man can't find nothing for worry, the man worry the musician. If a man can't find nothing for worry, the man worry the engineer. If a man can't find nothing for worry, the man worry the drummer. Yeah, man. And around here, Jamaican people, remember saying, you know, I teach you something. They say the bad slave them when them send come to Jamaica, you know. And we this, you know. Yeah, they say the unruly slave them when them send come out. Yes. And the bad unruly slave them. Because here we go on. You say if you just a drop song, and people just say, yeah man, I want nice youth man, you might drop song, you might drop be a big song. You have to always use songs to prove yourself. And in another area we're in, I know just music alone do it, my bro. No. You have to build a massive fan base. Remember that, and remember say no man around boy a favor, you know. So then take away crown from Beanie Man, you know, and say Beanie Man and no king no more, you know. Beanie Man was the hottest thing around here, you know. Buju Banton was the hottest thing around here, you know. No man around this favor, you know, bro. You know what Beanie them up and Buju them up? Callum, me G. Callum. Yeah, man. You have to set history, bro. You have to make the man say the youngest Callum this round here. So even when your music now play, your Callum dead and people say, what? Masicka? Every time. Notice when name call. And the man must say, top 5 in a dancer, top 4 in a dancer. And man say, Super Cat. Super Cat never have the most song. You think Super Cat had the most song than Lieutenant Stitching? You think Super Cat had the more hit song than Admiral Bailey? Eh? In the base market, in a core? No, sir. Super Cat never have more song than Admiral Bailey. Admiral Bailey, them a DJ of the year, up how much years, and Stitchy, and never go at it. And Admiral Bailey is supposed to be DJ of the year for about 5-6 years straight, you know. But if you call the name them right now, you don't hear Admiral Bailey name. By the time the people say Admiral Bailey done, after the man do 2-year-old and now put on your bass song. And the man must say Admiral Bailey done, and the man come back and say, what do you think I'm done? I mash the place again. Man come, big belly man. Man, one time Admiral Bailey had the bass round here. And when the man talk about the top 5. Who they put there? Super Cat them, Ninja Man them, Shabba Rankin them. Admiral Bailey was a man round here. Remember that. But guess what? When I'm talking about Clash, now them time I'm talking about Ninja Man and Shabba. I'm talking about Stitchy and Papa San them. Stitchy to a lesser extent because in the last now Stitchy go take a clash with Papa San. You see? Tiger. No people when you say Tiger used to beat everybody, you know. I want to know, man. Tiger. Masicka. Tiger. Joanna. Tiger. Tiger never play with them. Tiger in front of them and say, I don't want. Tell me. I no need. Tell me. I no want. How many Papa take you want? Tell me. How many Papa got you want? Tell me. How many Papa Jaman you want? Tell me. Tiger the roaring, with the blood clean you. Wah! Night in the bad like me. Wah! I would the blow there, man. Come on, bro. Song alone that make you run around here, bro. Red Dragon did have the most song around here. And Red Dragon pass up, you don't hear him name. Me I tell you that artist, because you know me rate your youth. No make nobody tell you in your ears, no manager not supposed to in your ears, Masicka, tell you about Ray and a little down your thing, brother. I are the man. Me I tell you that as an artist, because here we go now. Manager, enough time manager, they don't know nothing about that side of the something here. The craft thing inside. Craft. Art and craft, me G. Sometimes nothing go on. You see, alright. May I show you something, Masicka? You see Josh go out there and see what he must say? See if I beat him on them? Eh? Eh? See if I Papa San them? You must say anything Josh is saying. They ready for war? Papa San write 5 lyrics already and ready for war. Yeah, man. Papa San never have no way for hit song, you know. But everybody be afraid of him. Because Papa San now back. And he never have no way for hit song. And when Papa San starts slow down, you think I say, my name is Daddy and say, I will survive, and I find 2 hit songs, but I think I find 2 hit songs. Papa San never play. Yeah, man, he ready for war. Understand that, my general. So, I don't know if you're comfortable with everything we achieve. I don't know if you're alright, because I talk about ignorance. I don't know if you're just alright, you just track go up the road and just find the big song, them and the song them die down, and you find the next big one and it die down, and you find the next big one, and when you go perform, everybody love you very. But here we go now. Music industry at 200, 300, 400, 500,000, bro. You have it on column. You have it on column like Buju Bantan we go jail for 10 years and come back and bigger when he come back than when he before he go. You understand that, bro? People sit down and wait for you. You have to be column. You have to be column. Ladies are, the female version, ladies are, you know. She have all like big song, but one thing ladies are never ramp with nobody, you know. All man she take on. When she get miserable, you have to be miserable, my G. Brother, I told me I did girl artist. I told me I did girl artist. You want to give me your catalog, lend me your catalog for a day. Lend me your catalog, Masicka, for a week. I see. I told me got me a girl artist and I never come and push badness and rare and backs down 2 man and kick down 2 man and ring up the face and say, yo, see you have a big cut in the face, you know, burn up on the mouth round son. PR some man, give me whole of my family them from Grand Spain a par with me and when I go you see all 100 man from Grand Spain and 500 man from Brook Valley. Me the kind of just want to be a girl artist. You see? Yeah. Me just want to sing song for the girl that's so nice. You can sing hands up. Girl from your nose say you never bow. And then you can sit there. But them heads are them song they are pop records. So we can go get look work. When they done with me around that side, they say then if they done with me at Jamaica, me know me can go around Japan go work, me can go around Spain go work, me can go around Holland go work, me can go around Germany go work. You understand me? I say, but you are building a core. You are building a core catalog, me G. When you build a core catalog, yeah, you don't have a catalog as yet with a lot of international tunes. You're building a core catalog. You can't build a core catalog and you don't seize opportunity, me G. You have to take the opportunity. You have to get with me, G. All if nobody make nobody feel like you're cock. So, boom. Yeah. And Kartel just say anything happen after do something. Anything happen do something. Even if you have to go. Even if after them resolve it and call meeting, call and behind the scene. What remember say Kartel kick down Ninja Man. Ninja Man can't bother Kartel after that in our eyes. Ninja Man can't say better than Kartel again in our eyes because we see say get kicked down and nothing. Yeah. Yeah, man. Dancehall, tap a sitting there, boy, respect, my G. Clearing here. Respect. Kartel kick down Ninja Man. Well, that's our respect. Brother, I have a ticket, I catch a ticket for the race, no, brother. Wait, one side. No make your manager them tell you nothing, G. Just listen to his streets, bro. You got always, maybe the future the manager the gone, brother. You see 10 years from now, you want when people say Masicka, them associate your song with you dominating, not just by music. You want 10 years from now when people pull up on your song, then they have memories and say, yo, one thing in Masicka and them never afraid, you know. You want when you pull up your song because you sing bad man song, bro. Understand me, G? You sing bad man song. When you sing bad man song, you have to make even the great VYBZKARTEL know say anything so cabra them teach it, bro. You know the man that sing and say anything. They sit there, he mean it, bro. Anybody run up. Anything. Yeah, man. Yeah. Love and respect VYBZKARTEL as the greatest artist out of Jamaica since Bob Marley. Love and respect him for that, my G. However, must be added to that, bro. Love and respect Kartel as the greatest artist since Bob Marley. However, must be added to that. Nobody the close statement. Put a however upon that, bro. Just put a however upon that. However, and left it, make them think when they think me G. Yeah? Yeah, man. Make a Kartel have sleepless night too. Yes. Make before the crown set pan Kartel head. Kartel having sleepless night. I said, I don't know, young youth around there, my child, you know, like, make all the crown there. He come like, you go back there. And you ever go on now, you think, Kartel alone benefit, I will industry benefit from that, brother, because people love music, you know. If you around there too boring, Masicka. I rate to make a talk to brother. Trust me. Rate to me, G. Stop put out hit song after hit song and then. However. Oh, Masicka bad enough, however. Masicka wicked enough, however. Masicka have around the place enough, however. Masicka, no man, make we say Masicka as Praga Pitney. Make we say Masicka is Praga Benz Pitney. Huh? Try that with Praga. Try that with Praga. Try. A man from a camp come style up Praga. As Praga come out next year talk about and I go out for the mongrel. Yeah, Jaja. Try that with Beanie them. A man from the camp come style up Beanie and Beanie go out for a mongrel. No. Try that with your favorite artist. Try that with your favorite artist. A man from the camp come style up with your favorite artist and never. Make what after happen. When it dust clear, we say, oh, that is one. When the dust clear, you say, one more time, people. A foolishness me attack. Watch this. Watch about foolishness me attack. One more time when you say artists are war. I want to hear the story. Yeah, man, you know. I don't know about nothing. You know what I say? It's a misunderstanding that go on, you know. I never hear that yet. When all fans out there analyze themselves over artists. Fans out there fight each other, physical fight, knock out, teeth, thump out, man get stopped. And when you hear down the road, you hear. So what comes the fiction? You know, say, me don't remember how it start. I swear to God, you know, say, me don't remember how it go on. Yeah. Me say I do an interview with it. Me never think him know him a cartel a problem with him. He never know. I do that. He never know him a cartel a. Man. Yeah. You want to know Colombia, and this is just an advice. Yeah. I'm not an expert on people threshold. I don't know if you reach a threshold and you just enjoy what you're doing. So I'm not an expert at that. So I'm oblivious to that. But what I'm